Hey heroes, this is another villain for this. These are another two villains for the series that I'm doing called Revenge. I might actually rename the series to Revenge Seekers. And let's start out with the mechanic first. Get him out of the way. The mechanic stays back at the base with the blacksmith, which is the other one. This is his propane tank, and here is a blowtorch that he has, and he has armor that's made out of neon or molten plasma. Either one will work. And I'm sorry I couldn't get the head just right. I wish I had I really do wish that I had an orange version of this head. A a trans reddish orange. As in a transparent reddish orange. Get that out of the way. You heard him in the background, didn't you? Now on to this guy. Wait. Nah. This guy is the blacksmith. He makes the parts for the weapons, and the mechanic over there makes the weapons himself, or puts together the parts for the weapons, and also has made the robots the mini robots that I showed you. This guy, he has a fire soul in his head. Don't remember why I put that there. He also has some plasma armor and some lava armor to give him more effective protection. I did originally have flames here, but they kept falling off. So, and here's his hammer, which this pipe right here puts heat through the metal in the end of the hammer. So both of these guys stay at the villain's base, and if there's a hero coming along, then the blacksmith uses his gun hand to shoot them. And I almost forgot his little, they're little ion cannon plasma shield little robot. This is an antenna for the mechanic to control it, or the blacksmith to control it. It just blasts a huge energy burst out of these cannons. And I will talk to you later. Bye, fellow heroes.